Navigating the financial world in South Africa can be challenging. That's where bridging finance comes in, a quick and flexible solution for when you need money fast. It's like a temporary bridge for your finances, helping you cover costs until your regular funds arrive. In this video, we explore this vital financial tool, bridging finance. You'll learn what it is, how it works, and why it's different from other loans. Whether you're a business owner, a property seller, or someone facing financial gaps, this video is your key to understanding how bridging finance can work for you. What does a bridging loan do? Bridging funding provides an easy way to accelerate a future cash flow event and access immediate funds. In short, the purpose of gap financing is to provide quick, temporary financial help when you're stuck between needing to pay for something now and getting your future funds later. They help when you're in a situation where you need money quickly and plan to pay it back soon. They're a useful tool for managing timing mismatches in finances. Temporary cash flow solutions are mainly used when you need quick access to funds. Usually, it's to cover an immediate expense while waiting for a more permanent financial solution. Think of it as a temporary bridge in your finances. This is the reason for the name bridging finance. Temporary financial support in South Africa. Bridging loans are crucial in South Africa due to its dynamic economy, providing quick funds amidst fluctuating interest rates and economic policies. The alternative lending market, including bridging finance, is projected to reach $638.4 million by 2027, growing at a CAGR of 23.1% from 2023 to 2027. Supportive regulatory frameworks have increased the accessibility of these loans. They are essential for the active property market, business growth, and economic volatility, making them a key component of South Africa's financial landscape. Types of bridging loans. In South Africa, bridging loans come in different types to cater to various needs. Whether it's for buying property, managing business expenses, or waiting for funds to be released, there's a solution to bridge the gap for each situation. RAF claimants. Road accident victims claiming from the South African Road Accident Fund must wait months to have their settlements paid. However, medical bills and other expenses don't stop just because the RAF delays. Unfortunately, there is not much that can be done until the court order gets paid into your attorney's bank account. RAF loans provide a rapid funding solution during this waiting gap. A Road Accident Fund cash advance allows plaintiffs to access a portion of their outstanding payment. Repayment is conveniently linked to court order payment date. Attorney contingency fee advance. Attorney contingency fee advance is a financial solution for law firms handling personal injury and third-party negligence claims. It provides upfront cash against the contingency fees attorneys expect to receive once their cases are settled. This is often crucial because such legal matters take a long time to resolve. Stretching the firm's cash flow can put considerable strain on the firm's directors. The advance allows attorneys to fund ongoing expenses like medical, legal disbursements, and advocate fees. This enables them to take on new cases and grow their practice. The public interest is served by expanding the access to justice. Property bridging. This is a financial solution for those who've sold a property but haven't yet received the sale proceeds. Cash can be tight during this waiting period. Immediate expenses like deposits, moving costs, or personal expenses have a way of showing up unannounced. There are also the hidden costs of selling a house or apartment. These include rates and taxes, transfer costs and duties, and unplanned levies arrears. If these need to be paid before the property sale is officially registered and completed, you may not have access to the money required. Real estate bridge loans close this gap. They allow you to unlock trapped cash between the sale agreement and the actual receipt of funds. Wooden house shaped cutout with bridge loan text on top of financial documents and a calculator. Estate agent commission bridging. The earnings of an estate agent can be very volatile. The ebb and flow of the property cycle can swing commissions payments. Short-term credit provides real estate agents with an advance on their pending commission from a property sale. This service allows agents to access a significant portion of their commission quickly, no having to wait for the final sale transaction to be complete. This helps agents manage cash flow and focus on new sales. Real estate agents showing a bright, spacious room to a young couple, symbolizing future homeownership. Pension funds. Pension bridging in South Africa is a financial offering for people who are waiting for their pension or provident fund payouts. When you retire or leave a job, it can take some time before you start receiving your pension. Pension bridging loans offer you a portion of your expected pension funds in advance. This means you can get part of your pension money immediately, instead of waiting for the full process of the payout. It's useful for covering immediate expenses like living costs or paying off debts. The loan amount is then deducted from your total pension payout once it's processed and paid out. This helps ease the financial strain during the waiting period between leaving a job and receiving your pension benefits. Invoice discounting. Invoice discounting, also known as factoring, is a way for businesses to get money quickly. This is instead of waiting for their customers to pay their invoices. Here's how it works. A business sells its unpaid invoices to a finance company at a discount. The finance company then gives the business most of the invoice value upfront, usually around 80 to 90%. This provides the business with immediate cash flow. The business still collects the payments from their customers as usual. Once the customer pays the invoice, the lender gets repaid with fees and interest. This solution is helpful for businesses needing cash quickly and not wanting to wait for customers to pay. It's a common tool used to manage cash flow, especially for companies with long payment terms on their invoices. Purchase order finance. Purchase order funding helps businesses fulfill large orders when they don't have enough cash on hand. Suppose a business receives a big order from a customer, but it doesn't have enough money to buy the supplies or pay for the production costs. In this situation, a purchase order funding company can pay the suppliers directly. This ensures the business can produce and deliver the order on time. Once the order is completed and delivered, the customer pays the invoice. The business then pays back the funding company, along with a fee for their services. This type of funding is especially useful for growing businesses. It can help them to take on more orders than their wallets allow. Business bridging loans. Business bridging loans are short-term loans designed to help businesses manage cash flow gaps. These loans are useful when a business needs money immediately and expects to receive funds soon. For example, a business might use a bridging loan to pay for supplies or staff salaries while waiting for a client to pay a large invoice. The loan provides the necessary funds to keep the business running smoothly during this waiting period. Once the business receives the expected funds, it pays back the bridging loan. This is usually within a few months. Bridging loans are a quick and flexible way for businesses to access cash for urgent needs. They help companies to continue operating without financial interruptions. This concludes the comprehensive video to bridging finance in South Africa. We acknowledge the complex financial challenges faced in times of unforeseen circumstances. Bridging finance emerges as a beacon of hope, providing the necessary funds when traditional avenues may fall short. Do you or someone you know is navigating the aftermath of an accident and waiting on settlement funds? Consider exploring bridging finance as a viable option. RAF CASH specifically caters to those awaiting compensation from road accidents, offering a financial bridge to aid in your recovery journey. Take the first step towards financial relief and consider liking and subscribe to this channel and visit RAF CASH website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.